Today is the last day of this year 2023, and guys, right now is not the time to lose focus, because Bitcoin is about to create a very unexpected move for most amount of people. I believe coming next week that we are going to be seeing a huge pump happening. So guys, I can already tell you want to be prepared for this next Bitcoin move. So can we once again reach above the 60 likes? That would be absolutely amazing. And guys, as always, let's first of all have a look into what's that imminent short term. And what we can be seeing over here is that definitely during the course of the weekend we have seen a little bit of a pump back towards the upside. Of course, yesterday right here exactly at the bottom I told you to not get fooled, because most likely we are going to be seeing a pump, we are going to be seeing a bounce. Well, that once again played out perfectly as expected, but right now, well, we are trading a bit above our CME gap over here. So I do expect that we are going to be continuing our consolidation over here to at least fill our CME gap beginning next week. And at the same exact time, we might be creating a new falling wedge structure, which is definitely a bullish biased pattern. And whenever we can be breaking this one out towards the upside, well, that might be the start of a way bigger move that is about to come. And I'm going to be talking about that a little bit later. But first of all, you need to understand that we are still kind of consolidating in this symmetrical triangle over here. Yesterday, many people were having a look into what's this breakdown, but I told you guys that in the end of the day, this was going to be a bear trap. And yes, indeed, right now, it has shown to be a bear trap. But yeah, we are still consolidating in this symmetrical triangle, and I do believe that in the end of the day, we are going to be seeing this breakout happening towards the upside. Why? It's because we are getting so many bullish signals right now in the market that are all pointing towards the fact that we are indeed going to be seeing this breakout happening towards the upside. First of all, we can be seeing that institutions are buying right now. On the CME chart, we can definitely see a huge premium right now ongoing, and the last time this has happened, we saw a huge Bitcoin pump towards the upside of about 25%, and right now, once again, it has started to happen again. So this is looking very good. Second of all, on that daily time frame, we are creating these hidden bullish divergences. So definitely momentum is starting to diverge, and that is a very good and bullish signal right now ongoing on that daily time frame as well. And at the same time, majority of the market is right now trying to short the market, because we can definitely clearly see that majority of that liquidity is towards the top side, and Bitcoin usually around does tend to follow this liquidity. And whenever the majority of the liquidity is right now towards the upside, well, it is going to be indeed very likely that Bitcoin is as well going to be moving towards the upside to grab that liquidity. Now, lastly, we are also days out from our spot Bitcoin ETF approval window, which is another signal which is getting me very bullish. I mean, every single day we are getting more and more bullish information, more and more bullish news about the spot Bitcoin ETFs, and this bullish news is only going to be driving up the market even more. So yeah, as long as we are going to be nearing our approval window, I do think this uptrend is going to be remaining to stay, and I do think we are going to be seeing higher prices. Now, what is actually very interesting to have a look into is that right now, again, we are forming a perfect consolidation phase, and whenever we can be seeing this breakout to either the upside or towards the downside, but in my opinion more likely towards the upside, well, that is going to be indicating the next Bitcoin move, and that apex is exactly coming in at the approval window. So most probably this breakout is going to be initiated by a news event, maybe because of the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETFs. We are going to be seeing this huge breakout towards the upside, but in my opinion we are going to be seeing that last push towards the upside before finally seeing a bigger correction towards the downside. In my opinion, that is going to be a very likely scenario to be playing out. And if we can be breaking out this falling wedge towards the upside over here, well, that might just be the start of something way bigger. If we are going to be breaking out outside of this symmetrical triangle as well, leading in towards the spot Bitcoin ETF approval window, well, I think we are going to be seeing a massive pump happening. trading. So yeah, in my opinion, for next year, it is starting to look very good. Now, if you are going to be interested in trading this breakout, which I personally definitely am going to be interested in trading this breakout, well, make sure to go towards that link in the description, because you can right now claim a free 1000 US dollar trade by clicking on that link. Sign up a new account, complete KYC level 1, deposit $100, and you can claim your free 1000 US dollar trading position. So make sure to check that out. But also, it is right now the last day of this year, 2023, and what is actually pretty interesting is that we have not had a single minus 30% correction for the first time in history. Literally every single year, we have at least seen a minus 30% correction, but this year, this has never really happened. This year, literally the largest correction that we have seen was over here, and this correction was minus 23%. That has been literally the largest correction right now for this year in Bitcoin. Well, in my opinion, that is at least pretty interesting. Q4 has been a great quarter for Bitcoin, as we of course already predicted back in October, and all the way back in July, I've set my target to be from the 38k level towards the 48k level, and we have been perfectly meeting that in the middle of about 42k right now. Now, I just want to be saying that 2023 has been a great year for Bitcoin, but I can tell you already, 2024 is going to be even crazier. So guys, make sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in another update video tomorrow morning.